How to fix Rocket League not running on Epic Games, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League not running on Epic Games. First all you need to do, wait, the problem is when you click on it here, it says running and then it went back to launch, or it's just sucks on running. The problem is it's easy to fix it. First open your folder and then go to quick access here. Now type my games and click on it, and once you're here, wait, you will find it like that. All you need to do, just click on it, right click, rename, type here anything you want, and then go to Epic Games, click on your profile, settings, and this, make sure this one is disabled. You will find it like that, disable it and go back, and that's it. Now it will be saved. Then now all you need to do, just close all applications, in the background, like that. All applications is closed, and also Windows Explorer, close it, and that's it. Now just try to run it, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.